How are you, my friend? In this video, I want to share with you how to process lemongrass to make tea. I hope I can help you. But before we continue, be sure to like and share this video to help others. Thank you. Let's start. To make lemongrass tea, you can follow these steps. 1. Gather ingredients. Fresh lemongrass stalks, about 1 to 2 stalks per cup of tea. Water, optional. Sweetener, honey, sugar, or your preferred sweetener. Optional. Citrus slices, e.g., lemon or lime, for added flavor. 2. Prepare lemongrass. Wash the lemongrass stalks thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Trim off the root end and any brown or woody parts from the bottom of the stalks. Peel off any dry or tough outer layers, leaving the tender inner part. 3. Cut and crush lemongrass. Slice the lemongrass stalks into small pieces or crush them with a rolling pin to release their flavor. 4. Boil water. Bring water to a boil in a pot or kettle. You'll need about 1 cup 240 milliliters of water per serving. 5. Brew lemongrass tea. Place the cut or crushed lemongrass into a teapot or a heatproof container. Pour the boiling water over the lemongrass. 6. Steep. Cover the container and let the lemongrass steep in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Steeping time can vary based on your taste preferences. Longer steeping will result in a stronger flavor. 7. Strain. Use a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser to strain the lemongrass tea into your cups, removing the lemongrass pieces. 8. Sweeten optional. If desired, add sweetener like honey or sugar to taste. Stir until it dissolves. 9. Serve. Garnish with a slice of citrus if you like, and enjoy your homemade lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea is known for its refreshing and citrusy flavor. You can adjust the strength and sweetness of the tea to your liking. Experiment with the steeping time and sweeteners to find the perfect balance for your taste buds. I hope you learned something, and I helped you, through this video. If you like these video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe or follow, so you can always be updated every time I upload a video. Thank you very much for watching. Until then, I'm Melvin, and this is my TV.